Welcome, 8th graders. You are on day number 4 of your robot research project, and today you need to watch a sample presentation that I created just going through a Google Slides presentation. You will be doing this on day number 5, so you'll want to just watch the sample, make sure you know what's expected. And then today you have most of your work time to complete your research and complete your Google Slides. And so you'll want to open your Google Slides through Schoology, and just remember, this needs to be completely done and you need to be ready to present when you start day number 5 of class. So your goal is to finish that for today. Your essential question is, what would you like to see robots be able to do in the future? So let's look at your design notebook. And for day number 4 that we are on, again, we're going to watch a sample presentation and then look at research, which we may end up going back to day number 3 just to remind ourselves of some things with our slides and what needs to be in your robot research presentation. So click on day number 4. That'll take you right where you need to be. Write your daily goal in your design notebook for today. What do you want to accomplish? Keeping in mind that your project and presentation is going to be day number 5. Maybe you want to tie that in there, but that's completely up to you. And so all what you need to do today is first click here to watch the sample presentation. So the video is already linked in there. And if you want to go watch an actual presentation of me going through a robot research presentation, you could watch that right here. So that's a sample presentation. And then the other thing is when you're done with your Google Slides, you want to link it to your design notebook. And so I want to be very clear that when you do this, you are not taking the link up above. You are not taking this part. And so you're going to follow along just these steps here. There's 4 steps that will help you submit it into your design notebook. So I want your presentation to be linked here. So first, click on the share in the top right corner. I'll go do that with you. So we click on share. This little screen will pop up. And if you look back at your design notebook, the second one says click copy link. And so you can see in the bottom right here, you copy the link. And then it says highlight the following with your cursor. So right here it says my robot presentation. I'm highlighting it. Press Control K on the keyboard. So Control and K. And this window pops up. And now I just need to paste the link that I already copied and hit apply. So when I click on this, I will be able to see your actual robot presentation linked in here. So again, please do not just take the web address at the top. It will not allow me to access that. So that's how you're going to link your slides presentation in your design notebook right here. Other than that, you have the rest of work time to finish your presentation and make sure you are ready to present on day number 5. So you may want to go back to day number 3 and look at some reminders that you need to have multiple sources. You're going to have to read a lot through your research and answer those guided questions that are in your Google Slides. So we are here to help you if you have questions, but otherwise, take time to finish your presentation.